Yeah, don't ghost and tell where people are, but you know, it's okay to give subtle hints. I mean, I'm gonna give myself hints. I'm in a place and I'm a giant blue can. Oh shit, I didn't want to do that.
That is the...
How do I look? Am I facing the right way?
No, you're not.
Shit.
Words
What
has
about now?
betrayed us.
What about now?
No, you want to go to like a different wall that you actually face to. Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
I'm back!
This is boring. I'm just gonna like... Where the heck is he?
He's a vending machine.
No, I'm a... Hunter. Oh, there he is.
Freedom, you're not a vending machine, you're a lamppost.
Kill.
Oh, there's Deadstroke.
Did it?
I would have laughed if you juked him. I would have laughed if you juked him, Freedom.
Help!
Quick, become something faster. Statues. Oh my god.
Oh shit!
Freedom, find somewhere to hide, quick. Yes.
I can't believe I
a
lost
banana.
Yeah,
It was so
really.
funny you...
Where'd he go? I'm looking for him.
I can see.
Oh shit, he was right behind me.
In a
Oh, there he
world
is.
where props hunt the hunters.
Yeah, literally,
Yes.
that's what I'm doing.
Good
That's what it
thinking.
is.
Good thinking backwards. 10 out of 10.
Uh-oh, retard alert!
10 out of 10, I'd hear it again.
How? Freedom, you were like the best thing as a banana.
Oh my god, this guy. How does he not? Oh.
Right there.
Hide.
Wow.
What was that?
Wow.
Run!
That was stupid.
I'm gonna go through the entire round just using a crowbar. There's a brick.
Yeah, I got him.
Good job, Freedom.
Magnum is really hard to shoot. I was wondering, I couldn't move for a second there. I was stuck, and then...
Can you B-hop in this? I'm stuck.
Two emblem, Bobo. That cool Halo 2 emblem. Hey, there he is, there he is! He's right there!
Oh.
Bobo, he's right in front of you!
Oh,
He's behind you.
dude! I'm surprised you recognized that.
Yeah, dude, Halo 2 was awesome. I love Halo 2.
Yeah, and guess what? I found your people.
Look! Yup, he found his relative. You can clearly see the resemblance.
There we go.
We can clearly see the resemblance.
Ah, crap, my mouse isn't
Yeah.
working.
Oh, we have an advantage over Eternal.
Don't remind me! I'm
Alright,
invisible,
take
you
him
can't
out.
find me!
It might take us a while to find him, though. Newspaper.
No, you can't find me, it's impossible.
Guys, I think I
You
might have
find me, I
found him.
will do.
Shoot him.
I might have found him. Okay, nope, never mind, that was something else. Guys, there's a can over here! it out. Take him out. Take him out, boys. Take him out, boys. Can. Yeah. Get wrecked, Eternal. Get wrecked.
Where I am still, you didn't see me.
Come on,
job,
old man.
Freedom.
Unite. Oh, shoot. Old
Well,
man,
I
unite.
have to leave the game and come back.
Here. Guys, over here. For here. Yes,
Alright,
do
there you
this.
go. Now I
Yes.
can actually.
They won't find us. Don't worry, okay? Don't worry. Don't worry.
Nice one, Restless.
Don't worry, Eternal.
Nice
We'll be
one.
fine.
I honestly
Wait,
think
I
I'm
don't
gonna
even
die.
know. I don't even know who's next to me. Who is that? I can't tell.
Oh my god,
Oh,
Restless.
okay, it's you, Roger. Yeah, we got this. Who is that? Who's that?
Shh, don't worry about
Alright,
it.
so we got Roger over here. Freedom! We're so good! Oh
No,
shoot.
no, what we should do...
Guys, we might want to stop moving our shield. You probably would. You probably...
No, I can't
Oh.
since I'm dead.
Hey, whoa!
Oh, what the fuck?
Go! Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, I might die, boys. I might die. Oh.
What the fuck out of there?
Run, boys, run!
Did you see a person
Alright,
standing on like
something
a
is
desk
wrong
who was
here.
not on fire?
What could possibly...
Why you
Okay,
pick
never
up-
mind.
Can. I saw a can.
Whoa. Whoa. Lots of things messed up over here. This doesn't make any sense. Why would anybody want... Alright. We caught you red-handed. Kill this! Kill the can!
I'm hunting our wild can.
Where'd he go? Kill the wild can! Take him out! That was a horrible move. Why would anyone do that, okay? Who changed into the bed thing?
Wasn't me,
Dude,
because
man,
I'm
that guy
not
bleeds a lot. Like, change it to the... Who... Got him!
proud. Good job, Artorias.
That was such an epic flip.